Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com, and in this video we're going to make a Valentine coupon fun fold card. We're starting with a piece of 4 1/4 by 11 and scoring at 2 3/4 inches from each side. Next we're going to form the pocket. I'm using Terran tape here, which is a really strong adhesive, but you could also use liquid glue and just hold it a bit and let it dry. The adhesive just needs to be able to hold the pocket closed while you slip in either your gift card or your DIY coupon. So I'm going to fold that over and make the pocket, and you see it slip right there inside. Next we're going to add our designer paper. So I have 2 pieces cut in 2 1/2 by 4 in that beautiful golden white wood grain print, and going to put that over the pocket side and then on that front flat so that the front of our card is covered with that beautiful golden white pattern. Giving it a good burnish there to hold it closed, and then we're ready to add our closure. This is an 18-inch piece of real red ribbon. I'm going to wrap it around the card while it's closed and get those 2 ends off that right-hand side about equal so it's easy to tie a knot. I'll add a little bit of adhesive right there on that left-hand side to hold it in place while I work with the rest of the card. So now I'm going to take 2 punched pieces. One is a 2-inch basic white circle. The other is a real red decorative circle. And I'm going to stamp the Happy Valentine's Day sentiment from the Be My Valentine stamp set from the current Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. So I'm stamping a little bit toward the bottom of that circle because I'm going to add some heart elements at the top here in just a minute. So let's go ahead and layer those 2 pieces up, and then we're going to get that adhered to the front of the card. But first let's go ahead and add those hearts. I've got the Bee Builder punch with those 2 sized hearts, and I'm going to punch the larger one out of gold foil and a smaller one out of real red. And if you visit InkandInspirations.com and see this blog post, you'll notice that I added another real red heart after the fact. I thought it just added a little bit more, and I really liked it. So check that out. So now we're going to put that over the front of the card. We're going to adhere it to the left side only so that the card will open easily. So I'm putting some adhesive Seal Plus just on that side and going to adhere that over the ribbon on the left-hand side, which is actually the card front. Now I have just an easy handmade tag with the Alphabet stamp set saying Dinner in a Movie, and I tied a little bit of ribbon at the top to make it cute, and that can go on the inside of the card. You could put a piece of basic white on the inside there and write a message, but I'm just choosing to leave mine plain with just the coupon inside. So let's trim a little bit of that ribbon off. You don't want those little tails too long. It looks a little bit neater cut. And we'll add some gold pearls from the Festive Pearls set from the annual catalog from Stampin' Up! I'm putting 3 of those on there and 1 in the center of that red heart. So there we have a cute fun fold to hold a DIY coupon. Here's one in a real red print that I thought was pretty too. I just switched out the colors with a gold foil decorative circle. So give that a try. It'd be a fun idea for a Valentine's gift. Be sure and like and subscribe to my video on YouTube, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.